Hello dear friends, this is Ansari and you are watching Ansari Production PS, and today we are going to learn this. So to make this double exposure we need only these two images. One polar bear and one mountain image, but you can also use your own images. This is a very simple and easy double exposure tutorial, especially for beginners, but I will also share some advanced double exposure tutorials, so if you are new to my channel, just press the subscribe button, and must click on the bell icon if you don't want to miss my any tutorial. So here first of all I will change the background color. I will use gradient, so to do this just double click on this background layer. And in this layer style window just click on gradient overlay. I have already selected these two colors. For left side I just selected this blue color. You can use the same color code, or you can choose your own. I picked this color from the sky showing in the mountain image. And then I just increased the saturation, to increase the color intensity. Just like this. And I did the same job to choose the other color for right slider. And I fixed the location for this color slider something like 60 to 70. So, our background is ready. Here I will suggest you something, always try to do an organized and professional work. So, let's rename this as polar bear. Let's rename this mountain, or mountains, whatever. And this is our background. Now I'm converting the both layers into Smart Object. Just right click on the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Just like this. Now I'm moving the polar bear layer, beneath the mountains layer. Now go to Image, Adjustment, and Curves. And now I'm trying to make S-curve here. S-curve is very popular in curve adjustments. Just like this. Now, select the mountains layer and create a clipping mask. And to do this, make sure the mountains layer is selected, then press and hold the Alt key, and when you see an arrow like this, then click between the both layers. Just like this. Now adjust and place the mountains as you like. I am trying to find just some good looking area. Perfect. Now I will add a layer mask. Just like this. Select the mask, make sure black is selected as your foreground color. Then take the brush tool. Make sure opacity and flow is 100%. And hardness is 0%, I'm using a soft round brush. Now smoothly paint with black color, something like this. This is pretty good. Okay, I'm happy with this. Now select the mountains and insert a curve adjustment layer, above the mountains layer. Just like this. And don't forget to clip the layer. Now here I'm trying to make the dark area more darker, something like this. But if you don't want to do this, you can simply skip this step. This is pretty good. Now I will add a color balance adjustment layer. And I will try to match the mountain's color with our background color. Just like this. By the way, if you are using the same image, then you can copy the same values, but if you are using some different images, then please match accordingly because every image has different properties. Okay, this is looking pretty decent. Now here I'm thinking, if we make the top color of our background more light, this will look more attractive. Let's try. This is pretty good. Now I will take a screenshot of polar bear, but without background, so I will hide the background layer first. Select the top layer and press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-E to take the screenshot of all visible layers. Just like this. Now we can hide the other layers. Now we have a single merged layer of polar bear. Now I will take a duplicate copy of polar bear. You can also press Ctrl+J to do this. And then I will merge the both layers into a group. Just select the both layers and press Ctrl+G. Just like this. And now I will select this bottom layer. Then go to Edit. Then Transform. And then click on Flip Vertical. Then move to bottom to adjust its right position for reflection. Just like this. You can also take the help of arrow keys to move this slightly. Okay, this is looking pretty decent. Now I will convert this layer into Smart Object. Now I will apply Ripple Filter. Just go to Filter. Then Distort, and choose Ripple. You can choose any size for ripples, it's totally depends on your image size and also on your own choice. And you can also change the amount of ripples from here. Because this is a smart object, so we can change the settings for this anytime, and this is the main benefit, to convert the layer into smart object before applying any filter. So to make any change again, just double click on this filter name. Okay, now I will create some water ripples here, for which I created this ripple effect. To do this, first I will take a new blank layer, between the both bears. And I will fill this with black color. Just like this. Then I'm going to apply clouds filter. Go to filter. Render, and then choose clouds. Just like this. Then again go to filter. And then distort and choose twirl this time. Now zoom out and choose a value where you see a perfect twist, just like we see in water ripples. This is pretty good. Now again go to filter. And then in distort, and this time click on zigzag. Now just play with these sliders and choose a right amount, to create a perfect ripple effect. Okay, this is looking pretty decent. This is pretty good. Now I'm just resizing this, use Ctrl+T to activate the free transform, and do something like this. But first if we visible this bare layer, so we can see the perfect place for this ripple. Okay, I think half size is looking more realistic. Now right click and choose perspective. Then hold the shift key and drag out. Just like this. And I am going to apply a layer mask for this. Make sure black is your foreground color, then take the brush tool, but first let's do one more thing here. Now I want to remove the extra area of this ripple, so first I will press Ctrl+A, to select all. Then go to image and click on crop, this will crop the all extra areas of the ripple layer. Now select the layer mask and just paint with black color, to remove the extra area around the ripple. Just like this. Then change its blend mode from normal to soft light. Now adjust its position as you like. You can also change its opacity. Okay, I'm happy with this. Now I will again combine all these into one layer, and to do this I will use Ctrl+Shift+Alt+E. Just like this. Now we have all objects in one layer as one single object. Now I will convert this into Smart Object, and for final touch-up I will use Camera Raw Filter. These are not the universal values, so don't copy the same values, but in case if you are using the same images, and doing practice, then you can follow the same values. So this is before, and after. So, I hope guys you will like this very simple double exposure technique. Please press the like button and also subscribe to support me, so thanks for watching, see you in next video.